In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upscale a video to 4K. Begin by adding a video to the timeline, then click on the timeline to select it, go up to composition, composition settings, and then we need to set the composition resolution to 4K, and that is 3840 by 2160. Then click OK, and that will make the video small since we've increased the resolution of the composition. And now you might think that in order to upscale this video to 4K, we need to select it, press S on the keyboard, and increase the scale until it fits the frame. But that is completely wrong. If you do that, you're just stretching out the pixels and you're not increasing the quality at all. The correct way to do that is to open Effects and Presets, search for Detail Preserving Upscale, and add it to the video layer. Then in Effect Controls, click Fit to Come With or Height button, or you can manually increase the scale, then set Detail to 100%, and you can leave the rest as it is. And this way you're actually upscaling your low resolution video to 4K and you're preserving all of the details. And to make the details pop even more, we can search for Sharp in Effects and Presets. We add Sharpen to the video layer, then we add Sharpen amount to 25 or higher, then we add Unsharp Mask right after Sharpen, and then we set Radius to 3. And after combining these three effects, we've significantly increased the quality of the video. And in order to see the full effect, we will need to render this out, and only then we'll get a high quality 4K video clip. And here's a quick comparison of before and after.